You guys, example 5 is actually going to switch up a little bit. So in example 5, it does not ask us to find the ending account balance. You guys, it does ask us to find the interest earned, okay? I'm just going to underline that there. It's a little bit ugly, but that's okay. So find the interest earned if you invest $50 each month. I'm going to go for the next thing I know. The rate 2%, compounded monthly, and notice that I'm investing every month and compounding every month, and my time value that they give me is 20 years. So we know our periodic deposit is going to be $50 a month. You guys, you can go ahead and go to Desmos or your calculator. 2% divided by 100, or 2 divided by 100 is going to be 0.02. The N value here, monthly, if something happens monthly, that would be 12 times a year. And my time value on this one is going to be 20 years. Now, the good news is you're still plugging into the same formula with the balance. So I'm going to quickly set that up because we just did 4 examples like this. So 50, 2 parentheses, 1 plus the rate, 0.02, divided by the N value of 12. I am squishing that in there because I really made this too close to the top. Oh well. To the NT power, so my N value is 12, and we are going to leave this in the account for 20 years. Or we're going to deposit this regularly for 20 years. And on the end, you're still having your -1 with the closed parentheses. Love it. And then we are going to set that up with 0.02 divided by 12. You guys, I'm looking at that. This is just some hideousness. I apologize. Beautiful. So we are going to set this up in Desmos. Whoops. Hey, look at that. 50, 2 parentheses, 1 plus my rate of 0.02 divided by 12, 1 parenthesis, to the 12 times 20, arrow over, -1, and close it out. And then in the denominator, 0.02 divided by 12. You guys, if you want to focus on this one, you're actually going to go ahead and go back to examples 1 through 4. So $14,739.84 is my balance. It would help if I could remember $739.84. That's already rounded and everything. Okay, but that's not what they asked me for on this one. They asked me for the interest earned. So what I'm going to go, I don't even know how I manage that. There we go. What I'm going to do is go back to Desmos, and I'm going to figure out how much money you invested over the 20 years. I invested $50 every month. So 50 times 12 means I invested $600 a year, and I did that for 20 years. So you're going to multiply your principal amount, that 50 bucks, that periodic deposit, times whatever is in this exponent here. And the NT is what we multiplied by, times 12 times 20. So that means that you actually invested $12,000 into this into the account over 20 years. So if we want to find the interest earned, you're going to take the whole amount and subtract 12,000. Now, the easiest way to do that is to come up to this ugly formula and subtract whatever you get down here, $12,000. So you can see that what was left over in interest is $2,739.84 because 0.841 is going to round up to 84. Okay. So interest earned on this one, you guys. What we did was we subtracted our $12,000. And so we got interest earned in the amount of $2,739.84. And that's what it actually asked you for on example 5. So make sure as you go through